For example, I want to clip this area. Go to Arc Catalog. From Bodge, Google Earth, right click, New, Shape File. For example, Mecca, feature type, polygon, edit our coordinates, import, choose our TIFF file, Mecca, add, OK, here, Mecca. Now we go to editor, start editing. Create feature, choose Mecca. From here, active, Mecca, create feature, go to M1, click, then M2, click, then M3, click, then M4, double click. Now from editor, save edit, stop edit. From here, can make it no color or outline color. Make it, for example, red. Okay. Increase our thickness to, for example, 3. Okay. And doing our clip from Arc Toolbox, go to Data Management Tools, Raster Processing, Clip, Input, Mecca, TIFF file, Output, we output Mecca, Lock, OK. Okay, after complete the process, deactivate all TIFF file, big TIFF file, make it just our clip file. You see? Go from layout, view, file, page and brain setup, lens set, scale map to elements, OK. Drag this, drag another side, go to zoom in, press. Can now insert north arrow, for example this north, OK. Our north direction, delete this, insert scale bar, OK. Here, insert legend, OK. Next, finish, then put it here, for example. Right click, properties, grids, add our grids, new grids, measure grid, next, for example 600, 400. Next. It's too much, but next. We can change our grid thickness. Another. Finish. Apply. Okay. This is now our grid. To export our map or print, go to File, Export Map, or print directly, or Export Map. Mecca. Save as. We can save as Tiff GPNG GPG. GPG, for example, on desktop. Save. Mecca.jpg. Open. Okay, we can do more application on ArcMap on this TIFF file. Okay, thank you.